Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the basics of computer networks. We'll explore what a network is, the different types of networks, network topologies, and key network components. By the end of this session, you will understand the foundational concepts of computer networks, their types, topologies, and essential components like servers, workstations, network interface cards, hubs, and switches. So, what is a network? A computer network connects multiple devices, allowing them to communicate with each other and share resources like data, printers, and internet access. Networks enable collaboration, communication, and data exchange. They can be found everywhere, from your home network, which connects your devices, to corporate networks, linking employees to the vast internet that connects the world. Now, coming to the types of networks, we have basically three types of networks: LAN, WAN, and MAN. Local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Local area network covers small areas like homes, offices, or schools. They are ideal for environments where you need to share resources such as files and printers. For example, in an office, computers, printers, and servers are connected through a LAN. And then wide area network. Wide area networks cover large areas, often across cities, countries, or even continents. The internet itself is the most prominent example of a WAN, linking millions of devices worldwide. And then metropolitan area network. It connects networks within a city or a large campus such as university campus or a corporate network spanning several office buildings in a city. Now, why networks are important? Networks basically provide multiple benefits, including resource sharing, communication, data centralization, and cost efficiency. In resource sharing, devices can access shared resources like printers, data, and applications. In communication, networks allow for email, video conferencing, and other communication tools. Then data centralization, data can be stored centrally, allowing easy access and backup. Then cost efficiency. Shared resources reduce costs as multiple users can access the same hardware and software. Now coming to the network topologies, let's look at network topologies which describe the layout of connected devices in a network. The topology influences how data flows and how devices are connected. And there are several types of network topologies: star, ring, bus, and mesh. Now, first one is the star topology. In star topology, every device is connected to a central hub or switch. This is one of the most common topologies used in home and office networks. The biggest advantage is that if one device fails, the rest of the network continues working. It is easy to manage and expand. The downside is that if the central hub fails, the entire network goes down, and it is commonly used in office LANs. Then ring topology. In ring topology, devices are connected in a circular manner. Data travels around the ring in one direction. Advantage is ring topology can be more efficient for smaller networks and ensures a clean data path. And disadvantage is a failure in the ring disrupts the entire network. Troubleshooting can also be difficult, and it is often seen in small scale corporate networks. Then bus topology. In bus topology, all devices are connected to a single central cable known as the bus. Data is broadcast to all devices on the network. It is inexpensive and easy to set up, ideal for small networks. But a fault in the bus, the main cable, causes the entire network to fail. As the network grows, it becomes more difficult to manage. Then mesh topology. In the mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device. This creates multiple paths for data to travel. Mesh topology provides excellent redundancy and fault tolerance. If one path fails, the data can still reach its destination through other paths. However, it is expensive and complex to set up due to the number of connections required. Then, components of a network. Let us look at the key components required to build and manage a network. Uh, Components include servers, workstations, network interface cards, hubs, and switches. Servers. Server is a powerful computer that manages resources on the network. Servers provide services such as file sharing, email hosting, and database management. There are different types of servers like file servers for storing documents, database servers for managing databases, and web servers for hosting websites. Workstations. Workstation is a computer or device connected to a network that is used by individuals for accessing network resources such as files, printers, and the internet. In an office network, each employee's computer is a workstation connected to a server. Then network interface card. The NIC is a hardware component that allows a device to connect it to a network. It can be wired, that is Ethernet, or wireless, that is Wi-Fi. So it enables communication by converting data into signals and helps assign unique identifiers known as MAC addresses to devices. Then hubs. A hub is a simple networking device that connects multiple devices in a network. It broadcasts data to all connected devices. Disadvantage is hubs are not efficient because they can cause network congestion due to broadcasting data to all devices, whether the data is meant for them or not. And it is commonly used in older networks. Then a switch. Switch is similar to a hub but smarter. It directs data only to the specified device. It's intended for reducing traffic and improving network efficiency. Switches allow for better performance and security by reducing unnecessary data flow and collisions. So we have covered the basic network topologies like star, ring, bus, and mesh, each with its pros and cons. We also discussed essential components of a network such as servers, workstations, hubs, NICs, and switches. Understanding these concepts helps in designing and managing a network effectively. Then practical applications of networks. Home networks, Wi-Fi network in your home, connecting devices like phones, laptops, and smart TVs. And corporate networks, organizations connecting employees across different departments. Cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox that allow for data sharing across devices and locations. Then online transactions, secure networks enabling e-commerce websites, online banking, and communication apps. So that concludes the basics of computer networks. And networks are the backbone of modern communication, allowing devices to share data, resources, and services across vast areas. Thank you.